Hey everybody, this is Steven with Heritage Homestead, and want to give you a little bit of an update on our pumpkin patch harvest. We got all the pumpkins in. It's going to freeze tonight, so we had to get them in out of the field and into the house so they didn't get damaged. And this is what we got. There's still some that are green, and they'll be ripening up over the next few weeks. But some others are ready right now, and I'll kind of show you the different varieties. Try to get a better shot here. We have 4 different varieties. These are all heirloom pumpkins. Most of these, I think we got the seeds from Baker Creek or rareseeds.com. We did get another from a different company, I can't remember. But we have 4 varieties. Conneticut Field Pumpkin. That's a little green, but this is going to be a kind of a standard jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. All of these, I picked all of these because I wanted pumpkins that you could eat and looked really good. And these are all eating pumpkins. So this one can double though as a jack-o'-lantern. So the Conneticut Field Pumpkin, we have the Fairytale Pumpkins, which actually didn't do great for me. I only had really 1 plant that lived this year, and it did put out a lot of pumpkins. It put out 5, but it took forever for them to actually grow, and they're still not ripe. It's starting to ripen right here, and this becomes more of a tan color. This doesn't really get very orange. But I have this one. They look great, great shape. This is the biggest one right here in the center. Right here and right here. So those are the Fairytale Pumpkins. I forget their actual name. And then this is the Cinderella Pumpkin. These get a darker red. This is also a Cinderella Pumpkin that I picked today. It's going to get a little bit more red. Same here. And this one here, these are Cinderellas. And then the other one, it's not actually a pumpkin, but it is a winter squash. It's the Cushaw squash that I grow with it. I didn't get many of those as well, but that one looks good. So I'm pleased with that. But overall, I think it's a pretty great harvest. Gonna walk around here. Some of the green ones that are still small, like this, these aren't gonna get ripe. But I think you can fry up young green pumpkins. I've never tried it before, but we're gonna try it this year. Here's another Cinderella. It's interesting, the variety and the different shapes. The Cinderella is typically a more flattened pumpkin, but we did get one right here. It almost looks like a jack-o'-lantern. So there is a little bit of variety, genetic variety in each one, and it's kind of interesting to see. We'll save seeds from the best ones. Next year we're going to get plant them a little bit sooner, and we will expand our growing area. So hope you like it. We are just thrilled with what we got. And please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And it helps us to make more videos. So we'll keep you posted. Thanks.